Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide friend list on Facebook. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to hide your friend list on Facebook, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on these three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here you need to scroll it little down and under audience and visibility you will find how people find and contact you. Press on it. Now here you will find option who can see your friend list. Press on it. Now here if public is selected, then anyone on Facebook can see your friend list. So you can either change it to friends. By selecting this option, only friends on Facebook will able to see your friend list. Here you have option to accept some friends, like if you want to show your friend list to your friends on Facebook but you want to hide your friend list from some of your friends, like if you want to hide your friend list from 2-3 friends, then you can select this option and here you can select those friends with whom you want to hide your friend list. And the last option, only me, is useful if you want to hide your friend list from everyone on Facebook. Like if you don't want that your friends or anyone on Facebook will able to see your friend list, then you can select only me and press on save. Then no one on Facebook will able to see your friend list. So friends, like this you can very easily hide friend list on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.